Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Dog channel. And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Dog. Now I have been making stock photography videos forever, and the most watched videos are the ones in which I share my earnings, right? It motivates you guys. Just like that, I made a video a few days ago when I withdrew almost $850 in one day, right? But the one single common factor in all of them is you need to have a PayPal or Payoneer or Skrill account, right? It's how international agencies pay you. They don't pay you directly to your bank account. They pay to PayPal and Payoneer, and from there you need to link your own savings bank account to PayPal or Payoneer or Skrill, and that's how you will get paid. But for all of them, you need to be an adult, right? You need to have your own PayPal account, you need to have your own bank account. But there are many viewers in my channel who are great photographers, but they are not yet 18 years of age. They don't have any PayPal account or they don't have any Payoneer account. So most of them keep on asking me that, sir, how do I earn? Don't we have any future? To most of them, I gave one advice, focus on your studies first and then grow up and then earn. Well, that's true for most part, but there is one option. There's one option where you can earn money even if you are not 18 years of age, even if you don't have PayPal or even if you don't have any Payoneer account, right? That's a special case, and I made a video in Hindi just a couple of just under 24 hours, as you can see, 15 hours back, right? And then I got many requests, sir, please upload this video in English, right? So here we go. Now see, options are limited. The options open up much more if you are above 18 and if you have got your own bank account, PayPal and Payoneer account, right? But what if you are not? If you are not, then there is only one agency, being an Indian, that will suit you in this circumstance, that is Pixie, right? Now in Pixie, you can actually directly link your own bank account in the payment structure, right? Even if you don't have your own bank account, you can actually let me show you. Even if you don't have your bank account, you can actually link your father's or parents' bank account in which you are named as a nominee if you are a minor. That's how it happens if somebody wants to pay you. Suppose you win any Olympiad or any quiz, if you get any big check in Kaun Banega Crorepati, for example, KBC, I'm just telling you, they will give you a check if you are a student, right? And that check will be credited to your parents' account, but you need to have your name as a nominee, as a minor nominee in their account, right? So that's how you can link your own parents account directly into Pixie, right? And trust me, if you earn something for them in their account, they will never scold you. So don't be afraid to share this information with them, that please allow me to link your bank account. It's a very true agency, there is no fraud, right? Right now you can see, a few days back I made a video where I withdrew my payments, and here you are, you can see these are my referral earnings and these are my direct earnings from photo sale. And just wait a minute, I will simply open my bank account, savings bank account, that is linked over here, and I will show you that these amount have been credited for real. So here we are, this is the bank account, this is the account number, and this is under my name, and you can see in the credited amount, that is the amount which has come to me. Maximum or debit means I keep on spending, right? You see 869 and 8330. Let me zoom it for you. Okay, see 8330 and 869, that's the exact same amount that has been issued from Pixie, right? And you can see in bank details, there's no need of giving PayPal or Payoneer. You can directly link your bank account. Even if you are under 18, you can link your parents' bank account. So guys, if you have not signed up in Pixie yet, the link to sign up is there in the description, or you can use my code to sign up, okay? So this was it. If you are not an adult, if you are a minor, number one, parents account in which you should be nominee, and number two, you have to use Pixie till you grow up. In the meantime, you can keep on uploading to any other agencies, but you'll be only able to collect if you have your own PayPal or Payoneer account. Otherwise, you keep on uploading, let them sell, the money is safe with them. But over here, we are talking about Pixie only, because it's a guaranteed way of earning even if you are not of age, right? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Now if you are watching this video till now, prove it by typing the word amount in the comment section. If you type this word, I will know that you are watching this video till now and you have not skipped this video after a minute. Please share this video and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.